Best AI tools to make $500 a day. In today's digital age, the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized industries and provided unique opportunities for individuals to leverage cutting-edge technologies to generate income. If you're looking to achieve a daily income of $500 or more, harnessing the power of AI tools can be a game changer. 10. Virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR). The dynamic intersection of AI with virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) has opened up a realm of possibilities that redefine how businesses engage with their audience. VR immerses users in digital environments, while AR overlays virtual elements onto the real world. These technologies are transforming income generation by allowing businesses to create captivating experiences that draw customers into their narratives. By integrating AI into VR and AR applications, businesses can tailor experiences to individual preferences. Imagine a retail scenario where customers use VR to try on clothing virtually, or an AR app that lets users visualize furniture in their own living spaces. 9. Personalized marketing campaigns. AI has revolutionized marketing by enabling businesses to create tailor-made experiences for each customer. Personalized marketing campaigns use AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of customer data, identifying patterns, preferences, and behaviors. By crafting messages and offers that resonate with individual consumers, businesses can significantly boost engagement and conversions. Platforms like email marketing services offer AI-driven automation that optimizes content and delivery times based on user behavior. The result is a more relevant and timely communication that enhances the customer journey. Personalized campaigns not only increase sales but also foster customer loyalty and brand affinity, making AI-powered marketing a powerful tool for revenue generation. 8. Automated investment platforms. The advent of AI-powered robo-advisors has democratized investing, allowing individuals to participate in the financial markets with minimal effort and expertise. These platforms employ AI algorithms to analyze user preferences, risk tolerance, and financial goals, crafting personalized investment portfolios. By automating the investment process, robo-advisors reduce human biases and emotions, leading to potentially more rational investment decisions. Users can invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets, potentially generating passive income over time. While it's important to remember that investments come with risks, the convenience and accessibility of robo-advisors make them an attractive option for those seeking to build wealth through diversified portfolios. 7. AI-powered social media marketing. Social media platforms have become crucial channels for businesses to reach their target audience. AI-powered advertising tools on platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow businesses to create highly targeted campaigns. By analyzing user data, AI algorithms optimize ad content, delivery times, and audience targeting. These tools offer businesses the ability to maximize their return on investment (ROI) by reaching the right people with the right message. Monetization opportunities abound, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and product promotions. As AI continues to refine its understanding of user behavior, businesses can tap into increasingly accurate insights, driving higher engagement and sales. 6. Chatbots for customer service. AI-driven chatbots have transformed customer service by providing instant, efficient, and personalized assistance. These virtual agents use natural language processing (NLP) to understand and respond to user inquiries. By addressing customer queries and resolving issues in real time, chatbots enhance customer satisfaction and reduce response times. For businesses, chatbots offer a cost-effective solution to handle customer service inquiries, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. Whether it's answering FAQs, troubleshooting technical issues, or facilitating sales transactions, AI-powered chatbots contribute to a seamless customer experience that can lead to increased revenue and repeat business. 5. Data analysis and predictive analytics. The ability of AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data has transformed how businesses make decisions. Predictive analytics leverages historical data to forecast future trends and outcomes, enabling businesses to make informed choices and seize opportunities. By identifying patterns and correlations, AI-driven data analysis can optimize pricing strategies, enhance customer experience, and streamline operations. Businesses that harness the power of predictive analytics can potentially unlock insights that drive profitability, helping them achieve the $500 a day goal through smarter decision-making. 4. Voice assistants for e-commerce. Voice-powered AI assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are revolutionizing e-commerce by enabling voice-based interactions. These platforms allow businesses to set up voice-based storefronts, answer customer queries, and even facilitate purchases through voice commands. For entrepreneurs, voice commerce opens up new revenue streams by tapping into the growing trend of voice search and shopping. By integrating voice assistant capabilities, businesses can expand their reach and capture a wider audience, potentially leading to higher sales and revenue. 3. Content generation AI. The rise of AI-driven content generators, particularly OpenAI's GPT-3, has transformed the landscape of content creation. These AI tools are capable of producing human-like text for various purposes, from blog posts and articles to marketing copy and social media content. Content generation AI can save businesses time and effort while maintaining quality and consistency. Monetization opportunities include affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue from platforms that host AI-generated content. As these AI tools continue to evolve, they offer individuals the means to generate income through creative content production. 2. Algorithmic trading bots. Algorithmic trading bots have reshaped the financial landscape by using AI algorithms to execute trades automatically. These bots analyze market trends, identify trading opportunities, and execute orders with speed and precision. While trading carries inherent risks, skilled traders can leverage algorithmic bots to potentially achieve consistent profits. With platforms like MetaTrader and QuantConnect, traders can customize strategies and parameters to match their risk tolerance and goals. As AI technology advances, algorithmic trading bots become increasingly sophisticated, offering potential income generation for those with a deep understanding of market dynamics. 1. Influencer marketing with AI. In the era of social media, influencer marketing has emerged as a potent strategy to reach targeted audiences. AI tools can identify influencers whose content aligns with a brand's values and target demographic. This process streamlines influencer discovery and collaboration, enhancing the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. AI-powered analytics platforms help businesses measure the impact of influencer collaborations by tracking engagement, conversions, and ROI. By tapping into influencer marketing, businesses can effectively promote their products or services, potentially driving substantial revenue. As AI continues to refine influencer matching and measurement, this strategy becomes increasingly essential for achieving the $500 a day income goal. The fusion of AI with various industries has created a landscape ripe with income generation opportunities. From influencer marketing and algorithmic trading to personalized marketing campaigns and VR/AR experiences, each AI-powered tool offers a distinct path to achieving the $500 a day income goal. While success is not guaranteed, those who approach these opportunities with a blend of creativity, strategy, and adaptability stand to benefit from the transformative power of AI in their income-generating endeavors. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.